In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename layer in GIMP. Renaming layers is a small step that pays off in a big way, especially when you're working with multiple elements. Clear names help you stay organized, find the right layer quickly, and avoid editing the wrong part of your image. Let's start by opening the image you want to work on. In GIMP, go up to the top menu, click File, then choose Open. Navigate to your image, select it, and click Open. Your image will load on the canvas and you're ready to go. Next, make sure the Layers panel is visible. This is where all your layers are listed. If you don't see it on the right side of your screen, press Ctrl+L to bring it up. On some systems, the Command key might be used instead. When the panel appears, you'll see a list of layers with small thumbnails and their names. This panel is your control center for selecting, organizing, and renaming layers. Now, select the layer you want to rename. Click once on its entry in the Layers panel to highlight it. If your project has several layers, take a second to confirm you've selected the right one by glancing at the thumbnail or toggling the eye icon to check visibility. Once it's selected, you're ready to rename. Here's the fastest way. Double-click directly on the layer's current name in the Layers panel. Aim for the text, not the thumbnail. When you double-click, the name will become editable. You'll see a text cursor appear, indicating you can type. This is the quickest method because it keeps you in the flow without opening extra menus. Type the new layer name. Choose something descriptive and consistent, like background, highlights, shadows, text, or any label that matches the layer's role. Good naming saves time later, especially when you return to a project after a break or hand it off to someone else. Avoid overly vague names and keep things clear and simple. When you're happy with the name, press Enter on your keyboard. The change is applied immediately, and you'll see the updated name in the Layers panel. If you make a typo, just double-click again, edit the text, and press Enter one more time. And remember, if you rename the wrong layer by accident, you can always undo with Ctrl+Z. That's it. Open your image, show the Layers panel, select the layer, double-click its name, type the new name, and press Enter. Quick, clean, and organized.